Story name is A Fish and a Gift. Author Lassell Jobson. Illustrator Jesse. Published by Book Dash Level 4. One special Friday, Yusuf's father gets dressed before a flicker of light brightens the sky. He pulls on his heavy weatherproof jacket and the green woolen cap that covers his ears. He waves his boy goodbye. Yusuf's eye brightened when Papa says, "Today is the day I will catch a fish and bring a gift home for you." A fish and a gift. Oh, what will it be? Papa cycles down to Musenberg Beach. Squawk, squawk, go the wheels all the way to Surfer's Corner. Gullus circle the sky. What? They cry. What will you bring back for Yusuf? Papa rings his bell. Wait and see what it will be. The fishermen watch the sun rays. They check their nets. They check their oars. They listen to the wind. They drag their boats down to the water. Yusuf's grandfather, Opa Sally, was a tracknet fisherman. Before him, his father, Opa Ruji Ridwan, knew the sea too. The boat rides into the waves. Papa's arm stretched to the oar, his leg braces against the side, his neck strains, his back muscles ripple. Papa signs as he works. Papa sings as he works. Drop and swish, find a fish, pull and plop, don't you stop. All day long, Yusuf looks at the sky. It is bright and clear and windless. A fish and a gift. What will Papa bring home from the sea? Sometimes he brings a beautiful shell. Sometimes he brings a jewel green bottle raised by the waves. Some days Yusuf's father brings a story, like the time they found sea turtle on the sand. Hundreds washed up in a storm. What? Cried the Gullus. What will you do to help the turtles? Papa said, "We saved those turtles, I tell you straight. We sent them back to the ocean, every last one." Always Papa brings us song. He sings the song while he pulls the oars. He sings the song while he pulls the nets. He sings the song as he winds the ropes. He sings the song as he cycles home. Drop and swish, find a fish, pull and plop, don't you stop. Oma Safia wants a nice fat yellowtail for her supper. Mother wants a new dress. Don't be silly, says Oma. You'll be lucky if they catch even a tiny crab. More likely it will be a fish tail Friday. There's not so many fish left in the sea. Yusuf holds Oma's hand. They cross the road at the bathing cabins. What? Cry the Gullus, perched on the bright rooftops. What is for supper? Last year the fishermen fought with the surfers, angry fists and shouting words. What? Cried the Gullus. There's enough sea for everybody, said Yusuf's father. He showed them the fishing license that had been Opa Sally's. Waves for all, water for free. Oma Safia watches through her binoculars, her fingers curled in curiosity. The shark siren sounds. Swimmers run back to the sand and grab their towels. Surfers rush to the shore, carrying their boats under their arms. Under the shores, they strip off their wetsuit. wetsuit. What? Cried the gullus. What will Yusuf's father bring home the ocean? Yusuf's father and uncle and cousins heave and pull. A little shark has been caught. It twists and thrashes in the waves. Yusuf's father untangles the nets, singing to the shark, drop and swish, fish, find a fish, pull and flop, don't you stop. When the shark at last is free, it streaks back into the waves, leaving only one fat yellowtail in the net. Omar Safia will be pleased. The man pulled the boat in and coiled up the cables. A hard white triangle catches Papa's finger. What? Cried the gullus. What did you bring back for Yusuf? As the sun goes down, Papa answered the gullus, a lucky shark tooth for my boy. At home, Yusuf holds his gift up to the stars. Thank you so much.